Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a little project share video using dies from Andy's shop, and this is his name on Instagram. Okay, and I received a few dies, but I like making short videos, so I'm going to try to do like 2 to 3 projects a video. But the first one is this cute little purse die, and it's like a box. It comes with a lot of pieces actually. It comes with all the layering. So what I did this. So it doesn't come with this piece. The handle itself, I just cut a piece of cardstock and made it. So just picture that without. That's what the box comes with. So it's a nice size. And I did that for Velcro. The box itself is almost 2.5 by almost 4. I suck at measurements, but you guys know what I mean. But it's so cute. I love it. And I like that it gives you the option, again, if you want to add maybe a ribbon, or I don't know, you don't really have to do anything. You could just leave it as like a little box itself. I just thought it was kind of cute because, when you hold it, and it's so cute. So yeah, I did mine with the little handle. And these are Nicole's designs. And I made mine a little rainbow theme. And again, if you don't have the handle, the lid opens all the way back. But because I added the handle, mine doesn't open all the way, which is fine because I could still put stuff in it, you see? I just thought it kind of looked cute with the handle, but you don't need it if you don't want to. So that was that. Super cute. And then he also has these big bowls, and you can use them as a layering piece or like a double bowl, and that's what I did for mine. So I did this one first. How cute, you see? So this piece itself, if you want to glue it to the bottom piece a different color, it gives it that layering look, but I like the 2 pieces on top of each other. Look at that. And I use double-sided paper so you don't see like the white inside. And then I made this one, which look how pretty. If you do the tails, if you cut the tail in half and then just stick them like that, so you have one tail going across and the 2 little tails sideways. I thought it was cute. It gives it a different look. What do you guys think? You like it with the tails in the bottom or no tail in the bottom? I kind of like this one. But again, you have the options to do it that way. But these are my quick little project shares for Andy's shop. And like I said, I'm working on other projects. But this is what I have for now. And I hope you guys like it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.